What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I am riding Los Angeles Metro 3868, a 2015 New Flyer XN40, and today I am on the 854, and I am taking this bus from Southwest Museum Station all the way to Fillmore Station. Right now we're at Monte Vista Street and Avenue 50. We're on Monte Vista Street and we're going to turn right on Avenue 57. And may probably end the video in one of the stations if it persists.
Little ones. It's awesome. Yeah, if you're going to switch multiple languages, yeah, do it. I think we should be teaching both. Should be. I think it should be learn Spanish.
I think this is Monte Vista Elementary School. Yep, Monte Vista Elementary School.
There are like good languages as an elective. Oh, like so. Yeah, as electives, but also with virtual language programs for like language acquisition. It's actually like early. Yeah. Any language you can think of, they have a program like
right here we got All Saints Church, and you also got the actual church there. Now turning right on Avenue 57.
You just have to travel there. You have to go to the station, but actually content science, social studies.
The next stop is Highland Park Station.
It's to help the brain study show, you know two languages, you're smart.
Anybody boarding on this bus,
Two areas to process language. I wish I had learned it as a kid because I tried to learn it in high school and it's too late.
okay, let's pause it. Okay, moving on. The next stop is South Pasadena Station in South Pasadena. We're going to be on Avenue 57 and we're going to turn left on Figueroa Street. I think we should make it. Right now we're in Highland Park, known for having lots and lots and lots of Mexican restaurants, including El Pescador on Figueroa and Avenue 53. Pretty much in Highland Park has lots of Mexican restaurants except for Flame Broiler. I love that place. I better go there when I get off at Highland Park. Waiting for the green light.
Yeah, well, hopefully it's good, right? That's why it's good. Your homework's good. That's why it's good.
Let's pause it real quick, and once the green light comes on, I'll go ahead and resume the audio recording. Now turning left on Figueroa Street. Hold on, people. Gotta go ahead and put this odd thing in there. It's just a book from the Watchtower. Just found it on the door. Let me go and put it down.
And they're doing it nice now too. Like they're actually like supporting the community. When I first started teaching,
This is an audio recording, so don't have any problem
now they're like, because
Yep, I did close my backpack. Right here, we got several shops. You got the Cricket store, you got Subway, we got Metro PCS, which of course is Metro by T-Mobile, if it was, Little Caesars, and Tim's Junior Burger, Dollar Tree, Taco Fix, the drive-through cleaners, the cleaning lab, Heidi Nails and Spot, Highland Park CrossFit, and we got a Highland Park fire station number 12. We also got El Pollo Loco, Payless, and Coin Laundry Wash and Dry. And that's all we have in Highland Park. We got some other shops too, including Dollar Deals. We got Tacos La Estrella. Yeah, it looks like we didn't stop at the railroad crossing. All the other ones they took did stop. We're going to be on Figueroa Street, and we're going to turn right on York Boulevard in Highland Park. I just saw the 81 here. We got 8572, a 2013 NABI 45 and NABI Metro 45C. Well, unfortunately, you may not see that because it's an audio recording. Right here, we got the Veterans Memorial Square. Now turning right on York Boulevard.
Walmart survive and people are well educated. No, they need people. It's like do the rough jobs where no union, no pay. So there's a vested interest.
I see 9333. Here you got Rite Aid. You got Payday Events. You're pretty much not going to see anything in the audio recording. Besides, I do see the 256, vehicle number 3130. Right now we're at York Boulevard and Avenue 64. In conclusion, with the Metro schedules, they're getting new ones. It's going to be December 16th. As this video is uploaded on a later date, you should have noticed that already. We're going to be on York Boulevard and it's going to turn into Pasadena Avenue. I did ride the Dash today. It is now turning into Pasadena Avenue. Again, I am on Los Angeles Metro 3868, a 2015 New Flyer XN40. City of Commerce just released their new XN40s that I'm planning to film. Okay, we're about to make a slight left to stay on Pasadena Avenue. The next stop is South Pasadena Station. Now making a slight left to stay on Pasadena Avenue. Then we have to make another slight left to stay on Pasadena Avenue.
all of these people wanting to do it. Because I'm convinced
We're going to be on Pasadena Avenue, and we're going to make a slight right on Mission Street.
because at the other people who were doing this to say, when you get off at 3 o'clock, it's like, yeah, that's what happens, man. It's like, I'm done at 3 and I'm done, right? I don't have to worry about the next day. I just show up.
Now making a slight right on Mission Street. We're going to be on Mission Street, and we're going to turn left on Fair Oaks Avenue.
Works out. And we can complain to each other.
What about when you guys are ready?
I'm like, yeah. Usually her the secretary and me, and then usually for good
That's
reason,
normally the case.
you know, it's like,
That's normally the case.
I'll give it to her.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. I get you.
In South Pasadena Station, there may be a little bit of people, little to no people on board. Let's see.
Where you guys meet grandma? Dinner or something?
Give me a beer. Oh, no, she's already bothering us. Yes, to him.
Let's see if anybody's getting off this bus.
Grandma. You said 2 hours.
I'm a teacher. You guys have a good day.
Yep, there's 4 people boarding off this bus. Nope, doors are closing.
Is this South Pasadena, miss?
Yes.
This is South Pasadena.
Yeah, this is South Pass.
Yeah, because they want to connect to that.
Yep, this is South Pasadena Station.
South Pasadena.
Okay, let me go and pause this, and I'll be back. Alright, moving on. There's lots of traffic on Mission Street at this time, especially on a Sunday. Okay, moving on. The last stop is Fillmore Station. When I get off at Fillmore, I'm going to explore around that station that includes Huntington Hospital, Burger King, the Huntington Pavilion, U-Haul, and I believe there is a Staples there. I may try to get to Staples. For those of you who don't know about Staples, it is a convenience store which has computers, laptops, hard drives. In fact, if I see that still open, I'll go ahead and check it out. I have been to Staples before. Now I'm not buying anything, I'm going to be looking at some stuff, and then I'll get back on the shuttle. But right now, we're at Mission Street and Fair Oaks Avenue, and we're about to make a left on Fair Oaks Avenue. No, this is Fremont Avenue, never mind that. Now turning left on Fair Oaks Avenue. Oh, it looks like I saw a new flyer. I better have to ride that one if it's on the 854. You know what? Let's go ahead and check. Give you guys a front seat point of view here. Yes, it's blocking away. This is 9351. It'll give you guys a front seat point of view, or POV. See if the C40 left I just saw is on the Gold Line shuttle. If it is, then I'll ride it. around this time there's lots of traffic. I'll pause it. I'm gonna hold off for a couple of minutes until we pass Mount Street, so I'll be back. Just to let you guys know, I just found 5335 on the 260, so I'm not gonna write it. Although I do have a video already up, and I also found 8319 just right now. Usually these new flyers and NABIs are not operating on weekends for Division 9. It's unfortunate, but it only operates on weekdays. But right now we're at Fair Oaks Avenue and Grevillea Street. Okay, we're about to cross Highway 110. Okay, we just crossed Fair Oaks Avenue and Mount Street. We're gonna be on Fair Oaks Avenue, and we're gonna turn right on Glenarm Street. I'll ring the bell when we turn right on Glenarm Street. Now turning right on Glenarm Street, and now this is a chance to ring the bell.
Stop requested. Please use rear exit. For safety, watch your step when exiting the bus.
Hopefully the Pasadena Transit 20 is free today. If not, then I'm not taking the 20. Now, we just turned left on Raymond Avenue. That's it. That is a ride on Los Angeles Metro 3868, a 2015 New Flyer XN40. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.